Glacier Retreat Since 1850 by Patrick Spann
and Courtney Duke Lindsay.
The retreat of glaciers since 1850 affects many different things, including the access to fresh water for irrigation purposes and drinking water uses. Plants and animals have lived around glaciers forever and have depended on glacier melt, but since the glaciers have been retreating, they can't drink from fresh water streams. Glaciologists have found a link between glacier retreats and global warming. Glaciers continue to melt and retreat.
Little Ice Age was a period in time in which the world temperatures were cooler than today. Up until 1940, glaciers retreated as the world warmed up. Between 1950 and 1980, there was a period of global cooling. Since 1980, global warming created the glacier retreats and melting at such a rapid pace that many of them have disappeared altogether. What was once a significant number of glaciers in the world has now been greatly reduced because of the global warming and is having a major impact on the world's sea levels and coastal regions around the world.
Sea level has risen due to glaciers melting because of global warming. Global sea levels have gone up 4 to 8 inches in the last century, and if that rate continues, it could rise 10 to 23 inches by 2100. Sea level is a major threat to the people living in coastal regions. Humans who live on these coastal areas will have to leave. When these glaciers melt and mix with the ocean water, it is not drinkable anymore because it turns into salt water, which is not drinkable.
Due to these causes, glaciers will not be around by the next 20 years if global warming continues.
The end.